Hi everybody, my name is Bennie Guzman. I'm the communications manager for the La Casita Cultural Center, and I wanted to create a video showing you all how to use our virtual content. Due to COVID-19, all of La Casita's programming will be held virtually, so over Facebook, Zoom, YouTube, etc. As a part of this, we've been doing a lot of work creating content that aligns with our virtual exhibit, Abuelas. And I wanted to just show you all some of the things that we have and kind of show you how to use some of them. So without further ado, we're gonna just jump right in. So the easiest way to start is just going to lacasita.syr.edu. That'll take you to the main homepage of La Casita, where we typically keep a lot of our basic information. Over here, we have upcoming events. These are all events that are going to be happening within the next month or so. If there are only one or two events, we typically have a description. But since we have so many events coming up, we have descriptions and registration links here. So definitely feel free to check those out. When you click the registration link, it'll take you to the Zoom registration with more details about the project, the date and time, and have more information there. Additionally, I want to point out our Facebook feed. So on our Facebook feed, we typically update with events that are coming up, articles that are really interesting and that relate to the show, and different announcements for our general community. So this is a definite way to keep quick track of what's happening on the day-to-day at La Casita. For more details about what our programs are, you have to go to the programming tab. The first one I would like to show you all is the events tab. The events tab is pretty much basically what you think it is, the list of upcoming events that we have. This just allows you to see more details about what the events are, to register for the events as well. And additionally, we always list certain things that relate to this event. So this Artist Talk with Peggy and Daisy Robles is about the Abuelas Storage Project, and you can learn more about that project over here through their website. Additionally, we have Y Tu Abuela Donde Está, a panel discussion with the Puerto Rican Student Association, and an Artist Talk with Juan Juarez. We have more events coming up, so please constantly check out the events page. The next page I want to show you is our art gallery page. This is essentially the home of the virtual exhibit for La Casita. So what you'll see on this page is our currently on viewed, which is the Abuela's grandmother. And here you have some more information about the show and who is a part of the show. This virtual exhibit is something really cool and something new. When you click onto it, you will be taken to another tab where you get to a Prezi document that essentially is our virtual exhibit. So all you need to do is click present. If you go down here, you can make the image full screen. And then it's as simple as clicking and following the arrows. So you can start by clicking here, which is the virtual exhibit, and it takes you to a welcome. You can do one of two things to move around, and this is kind of what the instructions say, but the easiest thing would be to use your left and right arrow to go back and forth. So I'm gonna do that now. So I just went back, and then I'm gonna go forward. You can also, at the bottom, there are these two arrows. This will take you back, and this will take you forward. Additionally, you can also click on things. So if you ever see your mouse turn into, okay, I'm gonna start here. If you ever see your mouse turn into this pointer, that means it's something that you can click on. So actually, we're gonna click on this thing, and that'll take you back to where you want it to go, or to look at where you want it to go. If you wanna go back, the easiest way would be to go over to the right-hand side. This button here will take you back one page from where you just were, and this home button will take you back to the main screen. So again, too, it's fairly simple. Again, you can just click through. The easiest way I would recommend using this is to just click forward. As of right now, we are still uploading more content, but as more content gets added, we will be able to show you more in-depth documentations of each piece. For example, in each of these sections is a completed gallery space of that image. And pretty soon you'll be able to click on each individual picture and see what the story is behind these images. We are working really hard to continue updating this website and to continue adding more content to this. Additionally, we ask that if anybody is interested in donating an object, a photo, a video project that relates to your abuela to this to the virtual exhibit, please feel free to email us at lacasita@syr.edu. Now, I'm going to get out of this and I'm going to show you some more options that we have. So beyond the virtual gallery, we have created this web page that essentially houses all the documentation of this program. So here we have various different news stories that relate to the program. Some of them have actual video content that you can watch. Mostly it is Tere Paniagua and myself, Bennie Guzman, talking about the show, talking about the work that went behind it, and talking about the different inspirations that went into this theme and to the show. Additionally, we have created a YouTube playlist that has various student projects, various video projects that relate to the show and that are being done about the show. This, again, is something that we are constantly updating. And if you scroll back here or forward here, you'll be able to navigate through the various different video projects and see them all for yourself. If we scroll a little bit further down, you have all the related programming information. The first thing I would like to note is that we still offer guided gallery tours, but those are things that need to be requested. And you can email us at lacasita@syr.edu for more information. Additionally, as we continue to update this program, we'll be adding more and more links to the various different ways in which you can engage and the various interactions you can have. For example, the Abuelitas Little Grandmother's children's book, which was created last semester and released this year, can be viewed here. You can click the link, it'll take you to issue.com, and it'll keep loading. And then now you can read the Abuelitas children's book for yourself. Again, this is a simple thing where you can just scroll forward and backwards. You can even zoom in, move the image around a little bit so it's easier to read, and enjoy all of our content from the safety of your own home. So that's just a little tour of some of the things we have coming up, how to use them. If you have any more questions, have suggestions for content that you would like to see, or ways in which we can engage you with this show, please do not hesitate to email at lacasita@syr.edu. This has been a really difficult year because of COVID, but it allows us to do some really exciting and really new things. So we hope to see you a part of it, and we welcome you to join in and engage with us in any way you feel comfortable with.